Yeah, good day, ma.
Yeah, good day.
Ma, I'm sorry to bother you this morning.
Okay.
If you take a very good look at me, you'll see that I'm not a beggar from head to toe.
Okay.
But ma, my wife just put to bed this morning, triplets.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. And the government wants to take 2 of these children away from me because I don't have money to take care of them. Please, I need 200,000 to discharge her from the hospital. Any amount you can give to me, I will appreciate, ma. Please, ma.
Okay. I won't be able to help you with 200,000. Let me see what I can do. Hold on. I just transfer 100,000 to you. Manage it, okay?
Ma, thank you so much, ma. God will bless you.
You're welcome.
God bless you, ma. Thank you. Customer. How far now?
Customer, check am now. I swear, he dey.
What's going on here?
Customer, check am. See am, na spring. E dey move.
Please help me to call that guy.
More than the car shall we go give una peace of mind now.
Yes, I know. Help me to call him.
Ashawo.
Let me call you.
Customer, I be now.
Your face look familiar.
Me?
Yes, I think I've met you before.
Oh, sorry, I forget.
Were you not the beggar I met the other day? You were telling me your wife gave birth to triplets, and I even gave you 100K.
Na me. What you call happen?
So what are you doing here?
Which kind talk you dey talk for mouth? This country be like where they do only one work. Even Dangote they sell cement, Kulan they sell sugar. Now I don't they sell petrol. Who me be? Abeg oh. Some days I be a shower, some days I dey beg.
I love your energy, and you are so industrious. Just hop him. Let's discuss business.
Madam, I no go. I know your time. When you don't carry me reach house, do me finish. You can't tell me say the money wey you give me that day, make I use and balance am.
Ouch!
Carry another person.